Have a look at these blokes. Lucky I don't back out fast. Hey, here's where we're staying. It's at a joint called Manuka. It's 170 Halls Gap Road. We are on the main drag, but it's dead quiet at night. What I do like is that I'm right next door to the Parks Victoria Halls Gap Depot, so there's a lot of reverse beepers going off, which I quite like, because it reminds us of when we stay anywhere in Asia where we travel, there's always something going on with trucks or construction. So some people might hate this, not this bloke. This is the establishment from the outside. It looks pretty good. These blokes are just gunning it down the road on these electric bikes. Here's the General doing its thing. Done pretty well, the old General. Reasonable fuel economy for such a, not really a straight trip, but it's done pretty well, about 10 litres per 100k. Here's the outside area. It's like a colour-bond type thing, runs off propane, gas. And there's your bins. No fences in this part of the world. And check this out, there's some actual roof shit here too. So we've had kangaroos come up right at the back here, and that's fresh. And that one's been stepped in by the kangaroo who just shat themselves as well. So we might actually have to come out at night and do a bit of spotlighting potentially. There's the old hot water unit, which is a big one. And not much else around the back there. Let's check out inside. And you can have a look at what the accommodation's like. Yes. So, why we chose this joint, apart from the fact that it wasn't stupid expensive, it was pretty reasonable, is it has somewhat of a kitchen. So we're going to cook tonight, and that is turning out to be a very good idea, or good decision more like it, because it's packed out in town. Seriously, it's the first Saturday of school holidays. Zero social distancing occurring at the moment. Yeah, just, and there's only a few places to eat in town too, so I doubt that we'll get in anywhere unless you book. So we wanted somewhere we could cook. So that's pretty good. That, Joshua, what are these things called? These push button cooktops? I prefer gas, but out here you don't have much gas, so that's the way to do it. Good microwave. The old dishwasher. We bought the rice cooker just in case she needed some rice. Some COVID stuff. It's all over town, just warnings about social distancing, etc. But they do, I mean, this place was very clean. Very clean. Alright, she's decent. When we turned up, you got a nice little outdoor area here. Come on. Is that even bloody? Ah, righto. Got a nice little outdoor spot here. So you can sit and, if you're, I don't know, you can sit there and punch darts if you like. Little Weber, which could use tonight. We've got some steak to cook. One of these trees that we had at home, which we cut down because they're a bastard. Yeah, it's not a bad little spot. Again, quietens down at night, so it doesn't really bother us that you're on that main drag. You've got a decent telly, like a very good telly, even though it's a Viano, which is, I don't know, never heard of it, but I like the fact that they've put in one of these little boombox things so we can run the sound through that. I hate crap sound through these TVs. We've got a gas log fire. Usually when we go away, I want to have a proper fire, but we've got a proper fire at home, so now it's no longer a priority. We're just going to fire that bad boy up. And it does punch out some heat. Absolutely. Nice leather couch or whatever it is with a chase. Dishwasher's being done. Oh, and someone's about to prepare their snack, which is a cheese and wine board.
I'm having a bath.
Oh, you're going to have a bath first, right? Well, maybe kill that for a second so I can hear, people can hear. But here's the bedroom area, which is also quite nice. Thank you. This is the bedding area, the bed area. Nice telly again, so you can sit up late and watch telly. I think that's where they keep their stuff, like the people that run the joint, or it's a washing machine and dryer. Very, very comfortable bed. Bathroom. Oh, nice hardwood floors. You don't need to see the shit house. But yeah, there, you've got a shit house. But this is quite a nice feature, aside from the fact there's a spa there. Bloody double shower heads. How good's that? So if you want to shower with your partner, you can get in there. Or if you're a selfish prick, you can just angle them into the middle and have double shower. Do you want to have double shower? And this is probably why people would choose this joint, is because it's got, and you've got lights too. Hang on. There we go. You have got a elevated area. I started saying everything's an area, because that's what you say. The bath area, the bed area, the kitchen area, the Khmer area. You've got a spa bath. So that's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know yet.
You don't know yet. Well, punch away. Punch. I've said punch about 10 minutes. 10 times in 10 minutes. Punch the darts, punch out some heat. I don't know. So, we've been out and about. You would have seen the viewpoint. We've seen some roofs. We've been out to the shops. She's taken like 3 million photographs. So yeah, long walks are even longer. So I'm going to let this heat up. I'm going to smash open a beer. And I think we are done for our little Grampians adventure. This joint cost me an amount of money I'm going to display on the screen down here, because I paid for it about a month ago and I got no idea what it cost. But it wasn't ridiculous. It was about 200 or something a night from memory. I wouldn't pay anything more than that, to be honest, to travel in Victoria. But when you can't travel anywhere else, that's it. I mean, we've got no choice really at the moment. And to be honest, given what's happening at the moment, where we're seeing 30, 40 new cases a day in Victoria alone, this may be our only getaway for the whole year, so we'll take it. Oh yeah, split system, or splitty, and it's a Dakin too, so good quality. Yeah, so there you have it. I should have done this with a beer. That's better. Oh, that's so good. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I don't know when I'm going to put it up, or if it's going to be any good, but I'll do it anyway. So thanks very much for watching. Normal programming will resume, where we are gallivanting around Siem Reap. I can't remember where we're at in the series, but in case you're watching that and you've just started watching, we were there from early November right through to Christmas last year. And I've filmed so much stuff that I could probably give you a video a week for the next little while. And we get up to lots of things that you probably wouldn't do as a tourist, so stay tuned. Although some stuff we do is a bit touristy, but you get to see it. And I've forgotten what the half the stuff is too, so it's just exciting for me to go back through and see what we did. Anyway, thanks for watching. Chicka chow.